Okay, so there was just a video about using standard form, using ABC to identify A, B, and C, find the axis of symmetry, and then put that in for the X value to come up with the Y coordinate of the vertex. So we did example one, and that's what it looked like. So let's look at example two. So once again, I'm going to find the A and the B and the C value first. So say that A is 2, B is -8, and C is 7. And then I want to do the axis of symmetry. I want to find that. So the axis of symmetry, we're going to use X equals opposite of B over 2A. So the opposite of -8 is +8. And then 2 times 2. So 8 divided by 4, so that's 2. So the axis of symmetry is X equals 2. Remember, that's always an equation. And so I'm going to draw that in on my graph. It's supposed to be a dotted line, smartboard. There we go. So I'll draw in the axis of symmetry, and I always label it X equals, and then my number. And then I will use that to find my vertex. So remember, we're always going to do our XY table with the 3 points, and the 1 point is the vertex. So the X value has to be 2, but then what is the Y value? So I'm going to put that into the Y equals equation, and I like to just put parentheses where my X is, and then put in the X value of my vertex into the parentheses. And then I'll do the exponent first and then the multiplication. And so I have 2 times 4, that's 8, minus 16 plus 7. So that's -8 plus 7, so that's -1. And all of this would be Y equals. So Y equals -1. So 2, -1 is my vertex. And then I will find my y-intercept. Because this is not a y-intercept, I can do that. So 0, comma C. So 0, 7. So that is my y-intercept, because if I put 0 in here, this term turns to 0, and this term turns to 0, and 0, and 0, and 7 makes 7. And then I will reflect this point over the axis of symmetry, and so I will get 4, comma 7. And then I can draw my parabola, opening up, make it a curve, not a V, and that's it.